In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix couldn't sign you into Gmail. First, let's check your email and password. This step is crucial because an incorrect email or password is often the reason you cannot sign in. Start by looking closely at the Gmail address you've entered. Ensure that it's typed correctly without any typos or missing characters. Next, re-enter your password carefully. Take your time with this. It's common to make mistakes when typing a password. Also, remember that passwords are case sensitive. If you accidentally hit the caps lock key, your password will not match. This step may seem simple, but it is essential for gaining access to your account. Now, check your caps lock and keyboard language settings. This is an important detail that can easily be overlooked. If caps lock is activated, every letter you type will be in uppercase, which can lead to a failed login attempt. Additionally, ensure that your keyboard language is set to the correct option. Sometimes language settings can change without notice, resulting in unexpected characters when you try to log in. To double-check this, look at the taskbar or settings on your device to confirm that everything is as it should be. Once that is done, let's try incognito mode. This can help troubleshoot login issues by eliminating any saved data that might interfere with your sign-in. To do this, open Chrome on your device. This browser is user-friendly and widely used, making it a great choice for this troubleshooting step. After Chrome is open, press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and N simultaneously. This shortcut will open a new incognito window, which is a private browsing mode. In this mode, your browsing history, cookies, and site data are not saved. This can often lead to a smoother sign-in experience. Now, go to Gmail in this incognito window. This is where you will attempt to sign in again. Enter your Gmail address and password just like before, but now without the interference of any saved data or extensions that might cause issues. Once you've entered your credentials, try signing in. This fresh start can make a significant difference, especially if you've been struggling to log in for a while. If you are successful, you will see your inbox appear, confirming that you are now logged in. If you are still having trouble, don't worry. These issues are common and often easy to fix. By following these steps, you are taking the right approach to resolve sign-in issues. Remember that patience is key, and sometimes it takes a few tries to get everything right. If you find yourself still unable to sign in, consider resetting your password or checking for any additional helpful tips from Google's support pages. In closing, always ensure that your email address and password are correct and that your browser settings are optimized for signing in. By following these steps carefully, you can confidently tackle Gmail login issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.